bowling game from Flying Tiger. Oops. So the kit is basically made out of wood, except for the big steel ball bearing that will be the bowling ball. So the build quality is good and it's easy to set up because there are dots. When I bought this is separate. This is packed in a separate plastic. The pins are packed in a separate plastic. So the only assembly you need to do is just put this in the peg hole here. So you can adjust this depending on how you would like the ball to go. So yan. And then kasi if you pick it straight, sometimes the pins on the side will not will not fall. So let's see. Okay, so that's how you play it. And again, since some of the pins move, you'll just move it manually. I remember there was a time that we played bowling in an old alley wherein it's not yet automated. There are there are kids who are hired to fix the pins between games. I think it's the elevation of this table. Maybe this table is not straight because I'll try it again. Let's reset the pins. Oops. Yeah, of course, if you have big hands, you have to be careful in setting up the pins. Of course, set up the ones at the back first because there's this cover that will prevent the ball from getting lost while playing. Then, of course, the lesser the pins, the less likely you will hit the other ones. That's why the first pin is the last one that I always set up. Let's try to make this straight. Okay. So basically that's it. This is the desktop bowling game from Flying Tiger. So for me it's fun. I like playing bowling, casual bowling. And of course, since it's not every day that you can go to a bowling lane, and of course, sometimes after a busy day at work, or even during a busy day at work when you are so stressed, this is perfect for your desk to be some sort of a stress reliever. Yeah, so let's play again. Last one. Let's try to adjust this for a while. A little for a curveball. Let's see. Oh, so that's it. Bowling game from Flying Tiger.